Take one. Why don't you help her? Make her feel that she's the only one. Just tell her that she wanted, that you won't ever forget her. Just tell her that she's special and that you won't never regret her. Why don't you help her? Make the world be a better place. Put flowers in the garden and some roses in her hair. And be that someone she can count on and remember that you care. And tell her that you love her and never leave her side. Be there when she's laughing and be there when she cries. Cradle her in your arms so everything will be alright. The sun come out tomorrow and the stars will always shine bright again. Don't you leave her. Now's the time when she needs you most. Tell her how much you love her. You'll always be thinking of her. Never ever leave her side, 'cause the minutes are passing by. Cradle her in your arms, everything will be alright. The sun come out tomorrow, and the stars will always shine bright again. And take her in your arms and pray to God at night that He will make her happy and let the angels be her guide. Oh Lord, I love her so. Why don't you help her? I like